Hi, my name is Amar. In this series, I will discuss how to create a to-do app in Flutter with Appwrite using Bloc state management. In this video, I will give you a demo of the project. Whenever the application will be launched and if the user is already logged in, then the user will be redirected to the to-do screen. Else, the user will be redirected to the login screen. In this case, since the user is not logged in, that's why we are in the login screen. Now here we have an option to register for an account. If I click on this register, then here we need to provide these details to create the account. Let me give the first name as Sam, let the last name be Karan, and let me give the email as sam@gmail.com. As you can see here, the validation is also done. And let me give the password as 12345678. Now click on register. Now we are getting a message, account created. This means the account has been created successfully. Now we can log in with that email ID, that is sam@gmail.com, and the password as 12345678. Now click on login. Now once we click on login, then we are in the to-do list screen. If we want to create a to-do, then we need to click on this plus, and here we need to give the title. Let me give the title as Appwrite, and let me give the description as to-do app. Now if I click on add, then you can see that the to-do has been created and it is displayed in this to-do list. Now here we are seeing a red circle avatar. This means this to-do is incomplete. Now if I click on this to do, then here we can edit it, right? And here we have a checkbox. If I click on this checkbox and if I click on update, then you can see that this is changed to green. This means the to do is completed. If you want, you can change the other details as well, like to do app in Flutter. And if I click on update, then you can see that the description has been updated here. Now here we have an icon. If I click here, then the user profile details has been displayed, like the first name is Sam and the last name is Karan. If you want to update these details, you can, or we can also upload the user profile image. Now since the user profile image is not set by default, this Ripple's code logo has been displayed here. If I click here, then you will get the option to select the image. Let me select this one, and the image has been uploaded. Now if I click here and if I click here once again, then you can see that the image which we have uploaded is displayed here, right? And if you want, you can change these details. If I click on update, then the details has been updated. If I click on back and if I click here once again, then you can see it is displayed as Sam1 and Karan1. Let me change it to again Sam and Karan. Now click on update, the details are updated. Now here let me create one more to do. Let it be demo, and let me give the description as test. Click on add. Now all these things are in real time. How it is in real time, that I will discuss. And if I click on this demo and there is an option for delete, if I click here, then we will get a confirmation dialog whether you want to delete the to do or not. If I click on OK, then the to do will be deleted and it will be removed from the list as well. Now let me discuss how it is in real time. Now this is my mobile and this is the emulator. Now in this mobile, let me log in with the same account, that is sam@gmail.com, and let me give the password as 12345678. Now click on login. Now once I click on login, then you can see that to do is displayed here. Now let me click here and let me create one more to do here. Let it be demo test, and if I click on add, then you can see that I have added the to do here and that to do is displayed automatically here. This means it is happening in real time. Let me click here, let me mark it as complete, click on update, and you can see it has been marked as completed. Let me click here once again. Let me click on this delete and let me click on OK. Then you can see that the to do has been deleted from here as well. This means this to do is synced in real time. Now if I click on this profile icon, then here we are getting an option to log out. If I click on log out, then we are redirected to this login screen. So in this entire series, I will discuss how to create this with Flutter Appwrite and using Bloc state management. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.